Guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways to do things. Plastic chrome corrosion, many of you asked about it. Julio, tell them where they can get all this stuff.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thanks, Julio. Now, folks, look at this. Plastic chrome. It is a cover on the back side of a mirror, side mirror, and it's right in there bad. So I'm going to show you what we use. There's no sense getting anything new. You already have what you've bought to do this job. Everybody always thinks they have to go buy something different to do a different job when you already have your mother's to put a spanking on it. And you can do this by hand. Now this is metal polish that we're using on plastic chrome. Go figure. We don't want to make a mountain out of a molehill. You already bought it to do your metal with. Let's use it on plastic chrome. Is that not gorgeous or what? It's all gone.